Right, do you want to hold that for me?
Soup City.
Right, this is probably the best. Look at the sun. We've just been to the gym.
Yes.
With Laura and Sade. First time with them. It was quite good. It was incredibly busy, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, it was like you couldn't do anything.
So I managed to do some of the things I wanted to do. Because normally we're in there about 20 minutes and that's it. Then we were like a good hour or more than an hour.
Yeah, actually did some squats, did some bull squats.
Yeah. You're welcome to them. I saw them, I was like, I need to do them. Apparently I squat funny.
Your knees aren't big, your legs aren't far enough apart.
Oh, see, my knees are clicking, maybe that's why. Yeah, we're gonna go have some dinner. Take it down the sauce. Oh, not takeaway. Right, it's Tuesday. Just thought I'd show you I got some stuff in the post. New phone case. It's cost me 99p off eBay, I think. So I realised I literally have the case I have on my phone and the charging case and a Lumi case. Normally I go absolutely mad with getting cases. So I'm starting up again. And also, I went through my Disney DVDs and I found some that I need. Or I found I needed about 9. And this person helped me really nicely. She had 6. Got Hercules. They got the classic. And inside, the picture disc. Not that I'm anal about it at all. And what else do we get? We've got Fantasia. They all have the white numbering and the picture disc. Robin Hood. Pinocchio. Fantasia 2000. 2000. And last one. Oh, that sounds broken inside. Oh no. That's alright. I can just get another case sorted, but pack it round. What's all the screaming and laughing about?
Mum got me a present because I was feeling a bit sad yesterday. Oh my god!
Gerald, and he's pale!
Oh my god! You kept on showing me the videos of Gerald getting on his rock and all that. Oh, this has made my week. I'm gonna put it on my phone.
What's made your day? It's made your week.
It's made my week.
That came quick.
Oh no. Gerald, he's pale. He's got his pile, he's happy. I'll put it on my phone.
So she's put it on her phone. Oh, we're not focusing.
Look at his face.
I just heard this scream and I was like, what? And I was like, oh no, I think she's giving it to her. Fucking really quick. Didn't you order yesterday?
The day before, yeah. It's only taken about a couple of days at the most.
Yeah. Good quality as well. So someone's happy.
I'm actually over the moon with it. Now, aim further, aim.
Right, we got this today. It's for the dogs. Put tennis balls in it, and when you shoot it. But Sammy wants to see if it hurts her.
Right, so aim for the meatier part of me, please.
So your arse, in other words.
Yeah,
ready?
Do it.
What did he miss?
How many did you put in there?
Just put one, Mel.
No, you didn't. Because they all came flying past me.
Do you want to
Mel,
try?
you just put 2 in there.
No, I didn't.
Mel, I'm
Ready?
not doing that. I'm not doing it. Just put 1 in there. I can't believe he's taking it. Oh. Mel, just 1. No, Mel, 1. No, Mel, can you just listen to me? Can you please just do 1? Because then it'll be easier.
No, that wasn't far over enough, sorry.
Are you kidding me? That hurt!
Yeah, that wasn't in the
Let me have a go, please.
Sort your tea out now.
Let me out.
I'm coming in a bit closer now.
I'm having the next shot.
She's coming a bit closer. Otherwise I get copyright.
I'm having a shot.
Wait, I want to get down close. I'm going to do... Yeah.
Tits!
Right, last one.
That's what I like it, go.
Bend over a bit.
Right, go.
I'm really close.
Right, Becky's turn.
You want me to get really close?
Do like...
No, Sam, you stand by the
really.
end. Stand by the light, Sammy. Sammy, stand by the light there.
No, do it.
Behind. Oh, I'm not
Stand
done
by
with
the
you,
lights.
Chloe.
There's got some
I'm not done with
momentum
you,
behind
Sammy.
it.
One more, then I want my dinner. Okay.
No!
Bum! The
I
bum!
am waiting for your ass. You're like a big enough target.
Oh, that was
Can you
crazy!
do one more?
No!
One more.
Come
And
on,
then we do
Sammy.
yeah, then we do dinner.
One more!
One more.
Fucking
One more. One more. One more.
You cowards.
It's not pausing. Am I sunburned? There you go. Am I sunburned? I might be. Crap sake, look. Anyway, haven't done much. Today is Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Haven't done much. Went to work. Went and did legs, bums and tums with some work ladies. There was 6 of us there tonight, including me. It's quite nice actually. We're like taking over the class. And get home, have my dinner, and then I'm gonna shower. And I don't know, probably just chill out. Oh, you know I got the phone case, this one, and I put my pops up on there, 99p. When I ordered that one, I ordered a couple more for only 99p. Because as I said, I've realised I've got so many for my 6 Plus, or what my 6 Plus I used to have. I need to sell them or get rid of them somehow. But I haven't got many for my 7 Plus, so I decided, got this one. It's a pink glittery one. It's silicone, or silicone size, because I like that better than the plastic ones, because the plastic ones, when you drop them, tend to crack on the tops, on the corners. And then I want a bit more. Only 99p. I don't spend much on them. I've got this one. This isn't silicone, but it's more flexible. So, got that one. The collection is starting. And I ordered a privacy screen for my phone because my screen protector now, I have tempered glass and it's slightly cracked, so I wanted to get a new one. And then they said they offered me, or then offer them for a normal one, or for, is it like 20p more, something like that, for a privacy screen. I've never had one of them. Heard some people have them and liked them, so I'm going to try it. Not that I've got anything to hide, but you know, it'll be quite cool, because then you can tell who is trying to spy on you as you're using your phone, which I think is funny. So I've ordered one of them, so hopefully it should turn up either Saturday, if not Saturday, it'll be Monday. I have ordered, and I have got another case come in, but that's from China. I get most of my cases from China because they're super cheap, and you know, the amount of times I change my phone cases on my phone, I'm not going to spend too much on them. So I think I can't remember, was it like it was either mint or like a turquoisey colour, and around the camera it was like cut out as a heart. I think that was 99p and free postage. I know it's a bit much because I change them so often. But yeah, I think that's it really. Look who we found!
Well.
It's so super comfy.
Charlie, don't ruin it.
Hello! Looks like the dog's staring at him.
Oh, look at him.
You cutie boy. Oh look, this one's getting jealous. Charlie.
I bet it's more comfy.
Hi, handsome.
Have sensitive skin. That's why Persil Non-Bio is tough on stains, but gentle next to skin. Persil Non-Bio. Periscope may get extra savings on the Zodiac Corner, now just £849. Hurry, extra savings end Monday. CFS.
At Shark, we care passionately about what you think of our products. So we put ourselves to the ultimate test. We gave the British consumer a shark-powered lift-away True Pet.
Oh, it's very pretty.
This is finally packed all my winter bedding away.
It's very nice.
It's cute.
It's very cute.
Could you shut my door, please?
Roysters!
Plus évidemment la France qui lui est un pays cher puisqu'il s'y sent un petit peu à la maison et il y a passé un peu de temps. Why don't you give those guys a big round of applause? Thank you so much for being here. Merci, merci, merci. Thanks a lot. Merci, merci. On se retourne aussi. We are going to take a picture all together in front of the Sleeping Beauty Castle. Right there.
So today is Sunday. I don't know how much Mel's vlogged this week, but this is the first time I've vlogged this week. Just been very, very busy. I've done a lot of sewing today. I've done a lot of washing, and I've just pulled a muscle in my back, bending over. So I've come to lay down. Hopefully it'll get a bit better, but I don't know. I hope so. I don't know what I'm going to do. I might read a book, or maybe watch a film. I feel like I want to watch Pirates of the Caribbean after watching Disneyland Paris's Pirates of the Caribbean special. So I might do that. Just ending the vlog. What's your question of the week?
What's your favourite movie?
Because what are you watching?
Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest.
Oh, are you excited for the new one?
Yes.
I'm very excited. Bye.
Bye.